What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Arizona Cops. All kinds of unlawful orders refused from city to city in this one. What you're about to watch is many cop watches jammed into one video with all the dead air cut out. Before the video starts, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It'd be much appreciated. Enjoy. I'm good right here. Mind your own business.
That's good right there, sir.
Hey, you're good right there, okay? Just stay right there. Take your hands out of your pockets while you're at it. Have you consumed any alcohol today?
I think that's where the reporting people are.
Yeah, they might be over there. On for backup. She just called for backup.
Hey, sir, do you have business here? Hey, do you have business here? If not, you gotta go record on the sidewalk. It's private property.
Good job. Hey, good job, man. Appreciate you. Hey, officer. Officer, can I talk to you for a second? Can I get your name and your badge number? Oh, you got an American.
533.
What was it?
Vo 23533.
All right, I'm going to leave you a commendation because I know you just told him I'm good. Thank you.
Yep.
Hi, can I speak to Jay Vo's supervisor, if possible? I'm looking for Jay Vo's supervisor, if possible.
J Vo?
Yeah, Jay, like the first initial of his name is Jay, and then his last name is Vo, V-O.
Is that a officer?
Yeah, he's. I think he's out of the Red Mountain District.
I need to look up that information, sir.
Yeah, no problem. I want to leave him accommodation, so I'd like to speak to his supervisor, you know.
Okay, yeah, no problem. I do appreciate that. I'm just trying to look up the supervisors. Realizing it's moving right now.
Yeah, that's understandable.
Sergeant Blomberg?
Sergeant Bloomberg?
Oh, it's Bloomberg or Blomberg. L-O-M.
Okay.
But his badge number, you're right. It's 19866.
9866. Cool.
All right, and I will get you over to his directives to just a second.
Thank you, sir.
No, no problem. You have a good day.
You too.
The party you have called
Officer Blomberg.
at extension 5511 cannot be reached. You may leave a message or transfer to another extension. To leave a message, begin speaking at the tone. When you have finished, push star, then pound, or just hang up. To transfer out of expressions, push 0.
Sergeant Blomberg, I wanted to call and personally leave a commendation for Officer J. Vo, badge number 23533. I don't usually call in and leave commendations, so I wanted to make sure that I did this for him. You guys know me as Direct D. We just showed up and this guy said we're not allowed to film his computer. Idiot. Looks like a pretty bad accident. We got Officer Giggles over there. Officer Special right here. You gonna go cry? Are you crying? Can I arrest these guys?
Excuse me next time.
Fat Boy don't have a name. We'll just call him Fat Boy the rest of the night. This is city property.
Just let us do our job, all right?
What was that?
Don't ever start the same problem. Let us do our job, okay?
Did I approach?
Stay on the sidewalk.
Did I approach?
Stay
any
on the sidewalk.
closer?
Please.
Did I approach?
Stay on the sidewalk, please.
Did I approach any closer?
Stay on the sidewalk.
Did I approach any closer?
Please just do as I ask and stay on the sidewalk. I'm
Are
trying
you
to be cordial
asking or
with
are
you.
you
Please be
telling
cordial
me?
with me.
Oh, I remember
asking
him.
Or are you telling me?
I am asking you to stay on the
Okay, then
sidewalk.
I'm gonna
please.
politely decline.
Okay, then I'm going to tell you. Stay on the sidewalk.
Is that a lawful order?
At this point, yes.
And what law is
Under
backing
what
that
law?
order up?
What ARS? Make sure you have your computer closed and you won't disseminate information.
As I asked. Let me do my job so you can do yours. And you can be cordial about it.
What's
Got
your
it?
name and badge number?
It's Lloyd something.
Come on now, 72. Policy 72. Don't make me call non-emergency.
Well, who?
Non-emergency. All I have to do is give the 5074, number 72 of your policy. I would like your name and badge number written on your business
It's
card.
not part of my call. I don't actually have to give it to you.
That's not how the policy's written, stupid. You're not part of the call. Don't you guys love it when they say that kind of stuff? They don't know their own policy, so they say shit like that. No. Hey, this is the guy that wanted to use tape when we were at QT. Remember when we were at QT? He wanted to use the tape and then got all butthurt when the sergeant told him no. Huh? I know, right? He's so mad.
Era una salida de una derecha, claro. Está bien.
Just stay back a little bit, guys, for me, okay? Okay? Stay back. Shh.
¿Está bien, pa? What are the 18 and have it available?
As long as you're willing to let me drag your car.
How far do you guys gotta go?
Make sure you guys stay back a little bit.
I'm offering a ride. How far do you guys gotta go?
I have one about
Okay.
¿Tu hermano? ¿Ah?
Officer, identify yourself. Department order number 73. Identify yourself. Oh, you're a stupid bitch, aren't you? I don't give a fuck what you're doing. Fuck you, dude.
2715 timestamp 6. Timestamp is 12:52. Gilbert and Juniper. Well, just call the non-emergency dispatch.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that.
I want to clean my hands, guys.
Identify
Give me a
yourself.
moment. I will. I am Lieutenant Savoy. Can I assist you?
What's your badge number?
1237. Can I assist you?
Nope. You can leave now.
Do
Go
you
back
need
to
my
work.
assistance?
Did you get a call?
Can you actually?
Did you get a
Nobody
call?
needs my
No?
assistance.
Okay, bounce.
Okay.
Don't play games next time or be an asshole. Bye-bye, sucker.
What's up, Edison?
What's going on, man?
How you been?
Good. Been seeing you and James been bumping heads.
Yeah. We'll get over it.
Just hug, man.
Take care.
Later.
I want to appreciate everybody.
He called back up.
Yeah. You guys good? Can I help you guys with anything?
Back up right now. You're good, man. We're just filming.
Can I help you guys with anything at the moment?
We're just filming.
Yeah? You guys can just give me the respect and just give me my space. And...
That's what we're doing right now.
Alright, okay.
Don't pee on yourself. Just do your job.
What was that?
I said don't pee on yourself. Just do your job.
Good on that, man.
Okay, don't.
Your father's phone number? You gonna be alright? You need anything from me right now? Yeah, you're good. If you want to train anyway, you're just on the bed. Okay? Alright, thank you so much.
Hey, officer, can I jump in with you? We can go film it.
I don't know if you do that, man. No.
Where's it at? Whereabouts?
You guys got a scanner, right?
We do. We do, but not with us right now. Don't worry about what.
Bye-bye. Eat one of these. Fuck you.
Guys, we're doing fine on the sidewalk. You're good to go, brother. All right, man. Take care.
Piece of shit of dare right there.
Take it easy, Jamie.
Gonna call it hot? Waddle your ass back to your truck and bounce.